Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nawaf Fahd Al-Ghamdi. My last three number of my ID card is 913. This is my presentation 3 and my section is 14. Have you ever wondered how people used to travel in the past? In the past, people didn't have the means of transportation we have today. They used to move on their feet and carry their bags and food on their back or the back of some animals like horses or camels. One day, the wheel got invented, and that was the beginning of the new era of transportation. In this presentation, I will be talking about 3 points: transportation in the past, transportation now, and finally, the future of transportation. The first point is transportation in the past. Until the beginning of the 19th century, people used animals to travel from one place to another. But according to Wikipedia, a man named James Watt invented the first steam engine, which revolutionized transportation and gave us a new source of power. The second point is transportation nowadays. After years and years of innovations and development, traveling today has become much easier, faster, more comfortable and affordable. For example, traveling from Dammam to Riyadh City by car would take you a minimum of 4 hours and half of that time if you are traveling by plane. In comparison, in the past, it used to take days to travel from Dammam to Riyadh City, and as we say, time is money. The last point is transportation in the future. In the near future, transportation is going to be faster than we can even imagine. In addition, there is the possibility of intergalactic transportation. NASA now studying traveling into space and the possibility of traveling to other planets. Also in the future, we won't need to drive cars anymore because we have self-driving cars. In conclusion, transportation in the past was difficult and slow until the invention of wheel and then the invention of the steam engine, which was the greatest invention that revolutionized transportation. We now depend on a fuel engine that made traveling easier, faster, more comfortable and affordable. And in the near future, we will no longer need to drive cars because we have self-driving cars. Also, we might be able to travel to other planets and maybe even travel to other galaxies. Thank you for your listening. This is my presentation.